Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The versatile program is perfect for bar beginners, dancers and athletes, fitness gurus, and gym rats alike. Founded by former professional dancer and choreographer Andrea Rogers, Xtend was built on the fundamentals of Pilates with a dance flair to deliver fast-paced fitness to strengthen muscles and burn calories.
Let's help you make your mark.
5.0 out of 5 stars. It's a great, overall workout and very efficient for those days. The first time I tried this DVD, I was a little shocked because I didn't expect it to move so fast. It was the first time I'd seen an aerobic bar workout. I couldn't keep up and probably did only 40 of the 55 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
A chair is the minimum required piece of equipment you'll need to do Xtend Barre. Some exercises include a small rubber ball, a resistance band, and a set of light weights, 1 to 3 pounds, to modify the intensity, but you'll still get a great workout, even if you don't have them.
Let's help you make your mark.
No ballet bar or experience required. Bar blend will challenge and change you with low impact, easy to follow moves that shape and tone your body without a ballet bar. All you need is a secure chair, countertop, or other sturdy household surface.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.